Hi and welcome to the next video. In today's lesson we'll learn how we can get AI to generate images that look as fantastic as this. So anyways guys, let's jump in. So the first thing that we have to know here is we have to know about this thing which is called Midjourney. And Midjourney is an AI that actually enables us to generate images. So what do some of these images look like? You can see here that we've got like these really ultra crisp, high definition images that basically come from these prompts. So when you hover over one of these images, you can see a lot of these words down here. Now these things are called prompts. Now basically when you create a prompt, you can write anything that you want. So character design, void, fairy, mist, photorealistic, octane render, Unreal Engine, etc. And from those words, those keywords if you want, they were able, or the AI was able to create that image. And you can see the detail in some of them, it's mind-blowing. So using Midjourney to create your images is a wonderful tool, and that's why I wanted to actually create this video. Now the thing with Midjourney is they give you a free subscription to start off with, so you get a few images that you can generate per month. But if you want to generate more than that, up to about 200 images, you can pay $10 US, and if you want even more than that, you can pay $30 US a month as well. And the cool thing about these things is that you can actually use them for your own, personal needs. For example, if you need artwork for an album cover or a poster or anything like that, you can actually use this stuff, which is actually pretty good. So to actually use Midjourney, the first thing that you need to do is you need to basically sign into Discord. So it actually works on Discord. So once you create an account on Discord, sign in, and then all you have to do is click join the beta and accept the invite. And once you've done this, then you will get into the Midjourney Discord. And basically in here, you can actually see what other people have been generating. And already just off the first post, you can see the detail in some of these images. So to start off with, what you should do is you should just go into the newcomer rooms. Just really doesn't matter which one you're in. And then to get started, all you have to do is type /imagine. And once you've done that, then you get access to your prompts. So this is where you can write things like, your keywords, dark, retro, synthwave, we'll say purple, bright, neon, etc. And once you're done with your prompts, all you have to do is just press enter, and then you will see that the Midjourney bot will say, all right, now we've got your keywords in, and now we're going to generate some of your images. Okay, cool. So you can see now, once the AI has generated these images, this is the output from those keywords. And for me personally, I love it already. So if I'm happy with my artwork that the AI has generated, then I can actually upscale it to a bigger size so that I can use it. But what's really cool here is you can actually remix these images as well. So for example, if you like this one, then you can click on these buttons down here and they will remix that image. So it will kind of use the same kind of style, but just change it up a bit. So if you're happy with one of them, let's say I want this one, then I can click on this button over here. So it will be the number 2 image, and then it will give me the chance to make it much larger. Okay, cool. So this was the version that I have chosen, and then you can see it starts to put in all the detail in there as well. So when you go to upscale to max, now it will be able to give you a copy that you can download and then put back into Photoshop or whatever you like. So you can see now that we have upscaled this. That is the final image. And yeah, there are a few issues, you can kind of fix with it, but you can always take that to Photoshop and then, do your final edits on that. So once you're happy with that, then what you can do is you can just open the original, you can download it, and then you can take it to Photoshop and do whatever you want with it. So anyways guys, that was a very quick video on how to use Midjourney and how to use the prompts to get the AI to generate images for you. I hope you come up with some really cool results, and I'd love to see them. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something and I'll see you guys next time.